I'm humbled to say that after 2 years, the mHUB community has experienced tremendous growth.
Institutions like mHUB has really brought down the barriers of entry.
There's no substitute for just getting in the room and seeing what happens when you bring people together who have really different ideas. Places like mHUB really can continue to catalyze that.
Our companies have been awarded over 200 patents and created nearly 1,000 jobs.
So it is an exciting time to be part of the Chicago ecosystem.
Chicago's economy is diversity. And what we needed to do was build on that diversity and then strengthen it.
That's what mHUB is so special in what it's doing. This is truly tremendous. Just walking through, seeing all the entrepreneurs and all of you here.
We're creating new products and businesses that will change the world. It takes a real community to make something like this happen.
Community is very important, and that's why mHUB is important, because now you can get new ideas, new people coming in and have these kind of interdisciplinary work.
And I think this is what an institution like mHUB does and helps us with. This is really why we came to Chicago. Thanks again for creating a great institution like this.
There's never been a generation that's done more to innovate, to create than this one. And it makes me proud. I believe in what you do.
We're all on this earth for a reason, and we have an obligation as society to test their limits, see how well we can do.
We're not going to slow down until the Midwest claims its position as the preeminent leader in product innovation and manufacturing. I look forward to the coming year. mHUB looks forward to engaging and supporting each of you. And I just want to say thank you all for joining us this evening.